Hi, this is Kathleen from Hardy Real Estate Team. I'm so excited to show you my new listing on First Avenue in Mission with this amazing view. Come on, let's check it out. So my clients who bought this house, some of my favorite people to work with, wanted to find the perfect house to show their labor of love and their personal touch. Well, they succeeded, and I'm so excited to show you this house. Come on, let's take a look. If you'd like more information on this property, or if you'd like to know what your home is worth, email us at info@hardyteam.ca. We'd love to help.